Hello guys, it's me, Topsycat Tech Repair, and today's video is we're going to show you how to repair your guitar cable like this. Now this guitar cable belongs to my dad and he wanted me to repair this because of this PL55 connector damage. So I'll get into the basic steps of how to replace a PL55 jack and repair this guitar cable. And it's very easy. I'll tell you the tutorial. And it involves using this, a soldering iron, and of course its companion, a soldering lead, like this. And what you need is this replacement PL55 jack. Sometimes we call them a 1/4" jack. So let's get down to business. We're gonna have to uncoil this guitar cable. Yes, we have to do this like easy. So let me unwind it for you so that we can get this job easy. And this is what we're working on. And since I just already bought two PL55 jacks, we'll have to replace them in pairs. So we'll do one at a time, okay? So this is what we're going to focus. You see, it's already bent in this kind of angle. It means you cannot plug this into an amplifier or a guitar or something, so any musical instrument, but that's okay, we will have to replace it anyway. So first things first, we have to remove this metal sleeve right here. Originally this has a heat shrink onto it, but I just ripped the heat shrink off only to be back to this and this is the new copper. You can see that's already bent. So as I mentioned, so we're gonna have to do is we have to remove this clip right here. Must be a straight release crimp, gently mix up the part, okay? Then have it. We're gonna have to do this like this. We're using my plier cutters like this one, but just need to look at it, just spray gently not to destroy this. Yeah. I don't even care about the jack anymore, so off it goes. So take note of the connections of this wire here. I cannot see it. Let me focus it for you guys in this. The bare wire goes to this part, and the insulated wire in the middle core goes to this part. So if we tried installing our new PL55 or 1/4" jack, I should know where to put so you won't mess this guitar cable up. So let's do this. So we're gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to desolder the wires of this cable. Solder this jack, and we're gonna have to get in the we're gonna have to solder in our wires here, so we're gonna have to put our jack in here. Pliers, and we're gonna have to start soldering the wires. So remember the insulated part of the wire. Let's get some. here, so what will do this. You won't expect it to fail me in this repair, so be careful, it's too hot. Cable is too hot. That's all, okay? Let's try it a little, so so the race will repeat to the other side of here, but I'm not going to show you the same process. It's basically the same product. I just plugged in into an amplifier and a guitar. In this case, the electric guitar. It turns out it's working good. So this guitar cable is ready to rock on again. So if you like this video, go give me a thumbs up. I hope this helps someone.